Now let's get to meteorologist Matt Kirkwood, who's tracking the latest on Ida.
Yeah, it looks like Ida's actually going to come on shore tomorrow, which would be the anniversary when Katrina came on shore way back in 2005. It's been a tough past couple of years for Louisiana. They had three, as you just heard, hurricanes last year. Here comes another one, and this one is going to be quite potent. This is Ida. You can see the counterclockwise circulation pulling off the coast of Cuba into very favorable waters into the Gulf of Mexico. Water temperatures well into the 80s there, and that's prime for strengthening of a hurricane. It's likely by early Sunday morning becoming a major hurricane, and Category 4, we're talking about if it does reach that status, 130 to 156 mile an hour winds, and then coming on shore Louisiana. Here's New Orleans right here, and sometimes the strongest winds and the highest waves come in right on the eastern side of the quadrant of a hurricane. So that does not bode well for the New Orleans area. And right now, current winds at 80 miles an hour. So storm surge will be a problem, it looks like, right along the Gulf Coast, especially in Louisiana. Okay, for us, we're going to stay dry here in southern lower Michigan. That certainly was not the case last night. Rocking and rolling up to the north with numerous thunderstorm warnings, flood advisories up there, but those thunderstorms are now peeling away even across northern lower Michigan. Holland, live view, sunrise out there revealing partly cloudy conditions. It's already warm out there. I'll get to the temperatures in just a moment, but this afternoon, it's going to feel like 100 degrees. There you go. That's why we have a heat advisory out there. Just try to stay cool. If you start out this warm and you're expecting some sunshine during the afternoon, you know it's going to be a hot day. 78 degrees already, what is typically the coolest time of day in the Muskegon area. Plus, we have to deal with the humidity at that tropical air mass still continuing in place. 2 more days, that's it, folks. Then we slide into much cooler conditions, at least where the humidity level is going down quite a bit as well. Warm front continues its trek to the north. That's been the focal point for some numerous thunderstorms throughout Wisconsin, all the way through northern lower Michigan. And again, partly cloudy skies today, even mostly sunny right along the lakeshore, and another round of thunderstorms, but those will be pivoting north of us. Now, Sunday, a different story. Look off to our west. This is the cold front that's going to put us into a different air mass in that transition. Some strong thunderstorms possible later on Sunday and then Sunday evening. Once that moves through, opens up the door to a beautiful Monday and really a nice weather pattern. In terms of the severe weather, again, much better chance northwest of us throughout northern Wisconsin and also in the Minnesota area. Tomorrow, as that cold front moves in, low risk of a strong thunderstorm. Here's the 8-day forecast featuring that chance of rain, and then after that, we get into a much more pleasant weather pattern. High temperatures, more tolerable, right around 80 degrees, but even those are above average. Our averages now, Luke, have slipped into the upper 70s and pleasant. You can kind of tell we're going to get rid of that humidity with those overnight lows slipping into the 50s. We need to give those air conditioners and fans a break, I think.
You know, some people are saying right now that if you don't love this scorching weather, it's kind of like, all right, well, winter's coming. It's on the horizon.